the dust is just about half settled on this latest mini saga related to Shelley and Fraser Price possibly changing camps again. She was spotted at the stadium training with another coach, away from her longtime coach, Stephen Francis, and her MVP teammates. And of course, all attempts to contact the management of MVP for a confirmation or denial fell on deaf and unresponsive ears. And look, Shelley and Fraser Price is Jamaica's top star in athletics right now. She's arguably the greatest female sprinter ever. Jamaican people love Shelley and feel like we have shares in she and her welfare. As long as she's a national representative, Shelley is like public property. So this hide and seek and nobody now answer no question is foolishness. It's an insult to the Jamaican public. People are curious and concerned about their national treasure. Nobody not asking about Shelley's personal business. We want to know if she and her miserable coach fall out again. And if she switch camp again, and how it will affect her preparations for the Olympics next year. This thing with people not answering any questions and people not returning phone calls, it is disrespectful. You see it, you know? You see that now? I can't. Anyway, as the rest, this one, all right, I can't talk to you now.